How much does it actually cost to produce a PCBA prototype? This really depends on the type of board and your specific requirements, which is what everyone cares about most. How much does it cost to make a single board? It depends on factors like the size of the PCB, the number of components, the complexity of the circuitry, whether there are blind or buried vias, if there are high-frequency inductors, and so on. So, for relatively simple printed circuit boards like this one, which feature not too many individual components and are designed as just a standard double-sided board, the overall manufacturing cost is quite remarkably low. Indeed, just a few hundred Chinese yuan will typically be more than sufficient to cover the expenses. But for boards like this, where the components are densely packed and there are more than 10 layers, plus multiple chips with BGA packaging and impedance requirements, the cost could be over 2,000 yuan or even more if a board has blind or buried vias. The technical requirements for the board copying personnel are quite high. If I want to copy a board and want to know exactly how much it will cost, if you only need to deliver the files, then you just need to take photos of the front and back and measure the size of the board. That's enough. But if you want to clone and produce a batch, then at this point you might need to send the board over. Photos are two-dimensional, so for some models, it's hard to see the details clearly. The second question is, if I want to produce this board as an engineering prototype, how much will it cost? How is this cost calculated? A board consists of components and the base board. And software is made up of different electronic components produced by different manufacturers. When I purchase these components from various manufacturers, the prices vary depending on the model, the cost of the base board, plus the cost of purchasing components, assembly, programming, code loss, transportation, production quantity, and a portion of profit all add up. This is how the production cost of the board is determined.